what I want to do is to remove the front wheel and change the tires to a new set of tires. Okay. First of all, we need to remove the axle nut and then this one more bolt, the pinch bolt. Okay, pinch bolt or the fork, and then we have to also remove this axle bolt. So that is 24 mm. The other side it's 12 mm. So let's get started. Before you start removing your wheel, make sure you put it on a jack so the bike won't drop to the front when the wheel is removed. Okay, so the jack is already connected, a little bit load on it. Okay, and then now we're going to remove the front axle nut. The axle nut comes off. Okay, it has a washer here, so we keep it. Now we go to the other side. It's just a 12 mm and a 13 mm nut, so we just gonna loosen that out also. Okay, that comes off. Now all you need to do is to push out the axle from the other side. Remember, when you are removing the front wheel, this is the speedo gear assembly, so we have to make sure we put it back on the right place, then the right way. Okay. On the other hand, on the other side, we have a spacer here inside, so we also have to make sure we take care of that and then put it back where it belongs. Okay, so axle is coming out. There you go. That's the axle. Now the spacer has to come off and the speedo gear. I will raise the jack a little bit. Okay. Okay, that's good. So this is the spacer on the left side of the bike, which we need to put later on. This is the one on the right side. So I have actually taken down both the rear wheel and the front wheel. I want to change the tires into these slightly off-road friendly tires for my weekend ride this week. So I'm going to take it to the vulcanizing shop and let them change the tire. So off to the tire shop.
Ano ba? Saan kuha niya kahapon? Hindi. Saan kuha?
I've already got my tires installed in this. Okay, rolled it in, aligned with the brakes. Okay, that's good. Now we're going to put the axle. Okay, we have to put this spacer inside. And then close this. Now the spacer on the other side, abang, we have to put it later on only when the axle goes in. Now raise it a bit. The axle will now shoot. This one has to go on the other side. We're just going to put back this pinch bolt back in the nut. So this will keep the axle in place while we are tightening the other side. Onto this side to put the axle nut. Okay, the axle is already in, the wheel is in place, everything looks good. Now just to tighten this, also have to check the top if the odometer needle is moving. If it is moving properly, that means this is fitted correctly. If there is some misalignment, then the odometer will not be moving at all. The needle will not move. So that's what we need to check. Tingnan natin. While we are fitting the front wheel, it's nice to check the odometer if it is working by rotating it. So if the odometer is moving like that, that means the needle is moving a little bit. That means the speedometer assembly is properly put, so it will work.